Scene 1, Intro. OpenAI is preparing the most disruptive update in the history of AI video generation. It's called Sora 2, and it changes everything we thought was possible with AI-generated film, animation, and visual storytelling. In the next 5 minutes, you will understand what Sora 2 actually is, why creators and businesses are calling it the beginning of AI Hollywood, and how this single update can replace entire workflows in video production. Let's begin. Scene 2. Overview. What is Sora 2? Sora 2 is OpenAI's next-generation video intelligence model. It is not just an upgrade to Sora 1. It introduces a completely new architecture for generating long, coherent, cinematic video with real-world physics, consistent characters, and controllable camera movement. The major breakthrough: Sora 2 can understand scenes, lighting, motion, and the physical behavior of objects with far better realism. It feels less like video generation and more like directing a movie. Scene 3, Upgrade 1, Long-form video coherence. The first major improvement is long-form narrative consistency. Sora 2 can create scenes lasting over a minute while keeping the environment, lighting, and characters perfectly stable. The era of short 4-second AI clips is over. Sora 2 produces sequences that feel like real cinematography. This unlocks ad campaigns, explainer videos, product demos, educational content, and even short films, all without a film crew. Scene 4, Upgrade 2, Character Control. Sora 1 struggled with character identity. Sora 2 fixes that. You can define a character once and reuse them across multiple shots, multiple angles, and multiple scenes with accurate motion and emotion continuity. This is the beginning of AI acting. Creators will be able to produce recurring characters without animation teams or motion capture. Scene 5, Upgrade 3, Camera and Cinematography. Sora 2 introduces true cinematic control. You can specify camera movement, lens type, frame rate, tracking shots, dolly shots, aerial shots, and lighting behavior. This means Sora 2 understands filmmaking principles, not just video generation. It can replicate commercial-grade camera language that normally requires professional directors. Scene 6, Industry Impact. If Sora 2 works as expected, the impact on global video production will be massive. Ad agencies will use Sora for client videos. Startups will create product videos instantly. Solo creators will publish high-quality content at the speed of thought. And film studios will use Sora for pre-visualization, storyboarding, and even fully generated scenes. Sora 2 doesn't replace filmmaking, but it makes filmmaking accessible to millions of people who could never afford it before. Scene 7. What creators should do now? Here are the 3 actions creators and businesses need to take today. First, start studying cinematic prompts. Lighting, lenses, framing. These skills will matter more than editing. Second, prepare templates for recurring content. Sora 2 will make batching video production 10 times faster. Third, build workflows combining Sora plus GPT-5 agents. AI will handle ideation, planning, storyboard generation, and the entire creative cycle. The creators who combine models will grow the fastest. Scene 8, Outro. Sora 2 marks the beginning of a new era, the era of AI-powered cinematography. If you want fast, clear, and global insights on AI video, AI marketing, and the future of autonomous content creation, make sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching.